Hello everyone, this is Aarti and welcome you all at my YouTube channel. So today in this particular video, I will be talking about descriptive strategies. So let's get started. So the first thing is, what is descriptive strategies? Descriptive strategies means describing the data without necessary to build any predictions and any model into it. Or we can also say descriptive statistics means describing or exploring our data, summarizing our data. So let's see this with an example. I want to explore a city. Now, how I will explore the city? I will visit different places in the city, and that's how I can explore the city. Similar to this, if I have to explore the data, then what I will do? I will visit the data. I will check what all are the different columns in our data. What all are the features like mean, median, mode of our data. What kind of columns we are having, like uh, categorical or integer column, and that's how we explore the data, right? Now, there are two types of descriptive strategies. The first one is measure of central tendency, and the second is measure of dispersion. So let's see both one by one. So, measure of central tendency. It is a single value that represents the entire distribution. Now, how can a single value represent the entire distribution? So, what is this? When we are plotting a distribution plot, right? At that time, there there a cluster will form around a around the central value, and that central value is used to represent the entire distribution, right? So now, how we can measure that central value? This can be measured using mean, median, and mode. Let's see how we can measure this. So, mean, it can also be known as average. Now, mean is the sum of all the data points divided by the total number of data points in the data set, right? So, for example, I have taken marks of 10 students in a subject. Now, I will calculate the sum of these 10 data points, and then I will divide by total number of data points, that is 10. Now I will get the average marks, that is 5.5. This is our mean. Now the second is median. Median is a middle value after sorting the data set. Now this is applicable if our if the number of data points are odd. But what if the number of data points are even? At that time, we are taking the average of middle two values after sorting the data set. Now, let's see with an example. So, I have taken a data set of marks of 10 students in a subject out of 100. So, the marks are, these are the marks. Now, the median is middle value of sorted marks. So, now I have sorted these marks in ascending order. Now, the middle value are 72 and 75. Now I will find the average of these two values, and I will get 73.5, and this is our middle value. Mode. It can be represented as the most repeated data point in a data set. So we can also say the highest frequency point is also known as mode. Let's see with an example. Again, I have taken a data set called marks of 10 students in a subject out of 100. Now here you can see every marks is unique, but 90 is 90 is repeated two times. So what will be the most repeated data point in our data set marks is 90. Now the second type of descriptive strategies is measure of dispersion. Now, what is dispersion? Dispersion is known as spread of the data, the distance between the data points, or we can also say the distance between the mean and the data points. So now, how we can measure the dispersion? There are many methods to measure the dispersion, like standard deviation, variance, the range of our data, and the interquartile range of our data, kurtosis and skewness. So using all these things, we can measure the dispersion. Now, all these terms are very useful in data science. So I will be making a separate video on this. Thanks for watching.